Hey, Adam here with a simple and fast review of the Aenlv brand electric power washer. This is a high pressure car washer. We're going to open it up, show you what it looks like, test it out. I'm not going to do it on my car, I'm going to do it on my walkway to just show you the power, and we'll test it out and let you know whether or not it's worth buying. So as we open up the box, we're just going to show you what's in it, and then we'll demonstrate it a little bit. Nice clean brush to work for tires or stuff like that. Your actual main spray. A number of different attachments here. Car wash. Top of your gun. This will obviously connect right into it. And should twist at some point, if I'm doing it right. There we go, and twist into place. And then we'll have one of our connectors at the end. Little extra hose here. Your main piece. This will be your on-off. This will be to help connect and disconnect your hose. And of course, you'll have another wind-up hose right here, and then power plug. This is going to be your main hose. Wheels are going to pop right on into the two slots here. Pop right in there. This will go on to what I would assume is the front here. We're going to just kind of slide this on. Hopefully you can see what I'm doing here. And we'll just slide it on in each position, and that'll give me a nice carry. So pop them in, and you're good. Again, just pop those right on, and that's everything. So we're going to go ahead and just connect this and show it in use. As the main thing I want you to see is how small and portable it is, easy to kind of work with. And again, as you kind of twist this out, we'll be able to kind of load that gun, wrap your cord over there. You'll have positions in the back to kind of stick things through and stay in position. So lots of nice functionality here to this.
Alright, so one thing you will absolutely need is a female-to-female connection to connect your hose directly to the power washer. So just understand that it's a simple adapter, a couple bucks, and simple and easy. So they do offer solutions that you can tie in with the hose that they provide, but for me it's easier to have the adapter. So definitely worth buying. Hopefully this review helped. Thanks for watching.